Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is just a quick video to give an update on how far we are or where we are with our BMW M2 rebuild project. As you can see, there is something new on the vehicle, which is the front bumper. This I got obviously second hand. I just wanted to put it on the vehicle and see how it looks. Chances are I am still going to remove it because I found another kit for the same type of bumper. This is the competition and CS style bumper. So I found a full kit with the grills and everything. So chances are I will remove this and then together we can put on that kit once I have bought it. What you will also notice is that we are in a building which happens to be a garage. Now this is a place where my family and I have moved into specifically for me to have a workshop like this to work in, because we'll just convert this garage into a workshop where we can work on this vehicle and future ones. And so there's flexibility to work at any hours of the day as compared to where we were previously, where I could obviously work during the daytime. So that is the main reason why I was not able to shoot a video this week. It's because my family and I were moving, and as I'm sure some of you will know how it is, you have to pack, you have to load, and then it's the unpacking. So everything is all over the place at the moment, but definitely next week we will have a video coming up with the latest update and all the work that we would have done on this vehicle. So yeah, that's about it. That's the only new thing on the vehicle. Something else I did inside, we had an F30 BMW 3 Series F30 stiffener or crash bar on the vehicle. The part number was the same as for this vehicle, but I discovered that it is actually much longer, and so when I was trying to fit the bumper it didn't fit. So I ended up just taking the old bumper, or crash bar rather, and having it fixed. And so that's what I've put in here, but obviously I will show you guys when we put in the full kit that I mentioned earlier. So yeah, I'm not going to take up any more of your time today. Maybe let's just do a quick go around of the vehicle, since we don't really see much of the whole thing, as we've obviously been focusing on the parts that we've been working on. Yeah, so on that note, let me take this opportunity just to thank every single one of you who've taken the time to watch any of our videos on this build. We really appreciate your time. Thank you to everyone who's actually given us a thumbs up or a like on any of the videos. We truly appreciate it. Anyone who's left a comment, we really couldn't be doing this thing without you guys, and especially everyone who is subscribed to the channel. Truly, we appreciate your guys' support, and we hope that with you on board, we grow from strength to strength. Thanks again, and we'll catch you next week with a full update. And yeah, see you then. Cheerio.